Hello and welcome to a gentle meditation. Find a comfortable seated or lying position and adjust the body to ensure you are as comfortable as possible. If you're lying down, you're welcome to use cushions and a blanket. And if you are seated, keeping the feet hip width apart, arms gently resting onto your thighs with the spine straight. Take any adjustments you may need at this stage, and then close the eyes and allow the eyelids to be heavy. The eyes closed shut and relaxed. Allow the whole face to completely soften and relax, removing any tension. Relax the neck, the shoulders and the arms, everything soft, heavy into the ground. Allow the belly to relax, the legs and the feet. The whole body is completely relaxed as we prepare to begin. Now, bring all your attention, all your awareness to your breath. Breathing in and out through the nose. Slow down the inhales and slow down the exhale. Deep inhale, feeling the lungs expand, the rib cage and the belly. And as you exhale, letting all the stale air out, pull the navel into the spine, release all the air. Deep inhale, expand. Deep exhale, release. Find your own gentle, slow flow, creating the rhythm between your inhales and your exhales. Notice any feelings, the warmth or the coolness of the air as it enters through the nostrils, nurturing your body. With fresh, new oxygen into each and every single cell. And notice the temperature of the air as it exits through the nose, brushing above the lips. The temperature, the density of the air as it leaves the body. Deep inhale. bringing even more attention to any subtle sensation or feeling. Deep exhale. For the next few breaths, we're going to call in some feelings or sensations that we'd like to bring into our lives, into our body. As you inhale, feeling empowered with your body, with your presence on this earth. With your exhale, release any doubts or lingering fears. Deep inhale, feeling the power, the energy around your body rising. Deep exhale, let go. Deep inhale, take in mental strength, nurturing the mindset. Deep exhale, let go. Deep inhale, breathing in the strength of the muscles, the body that carries you through each day. Give it strength, give it power. And exhale, release. Take a few more deep breaths, adding qualities and feelings you'd like to take into your body. Feel right for you at this time in your life. Keeping your focus on your breath. Allow it to gently flow back in and out at its natural pace. As we return to the present moment, wiggling out the toes and the hands, gently move the whole body, and at your own time, when you're ready, blink the eyes to open them back up, enjoying the new sensations around the body and the mind, and carrying those feelings with you throughout your day. Have a great day.